Are you struggling to remove stubborn stains? We understand how much you have invested in your clothes. However, sometimes accident does happen. When you are feeling helpless, don't worry. Our professional help is on the way, so speak to us today. Try our door-to-door delivery service. Enjoy 7 days support at the comfort of your home. When we perform spot cleaning for your clothing, an air blow gun is used to blow a concentrated stream of air at high speeds, which makes them perfect for removing stains. This method is incredibly quick and efficient at removing stains from clothing. It can blast away stubborn stains and other contaminants in deep level. One of the biggest benefits of using an air blow gun to remove stains on clothing is that it is gentle on fabric. Unlike other cleaning methods that can be harsh and abrasive, air blow guns will not damage your fabric. This method does not require any chemicals or cleaning solutions to work effectively. This means that they are a great choice for people who are sensitive to chemicals or who want to reduce their exposure to harsh cleaning products. It also means that you can use them on a wider range of fabrics. We serve more than 50,000 households by providing professional dry cleaning and laundry services in Singapore, so give us a try.